Welcome to the circuit. We might all scream for this.
Is it ice cream? Is it ice cream? Is it ice cream? Is it ice cream?
Yes, it's ice cream, but did you know that it's thanks to this engineer that we have the luxury of enjoying this tasty frozen treat? Up until the 1840s, ice cream was a royal delicacy. George Washington even spent $5,600 in today's money on ice cream one summer. It was expensive, time-consuming, and hard to get. That is, until a creative housewife named Nancy Johnson engineered and patented the hand-cranked ice cream freezer. Because her device was small, it required less salt and ice to freeze, making it more accessible and affordable for everyone. This was ice cream's Big Bang moment, paving the way for today's $70 billion global industry. But if you don't want to make it at home or leave your house, the era of drone-delivered ice cream, it's here. In 2022, Flytrex partnered with the ice cream shop to deliver orders up to 6 pounds within 5 miles round trip. The ice cream shop is an online restaurant that delivers your favorite ice cream brands and flavors within 30 minutes. Flytrex is the first drone delivery service focused in the US suburbs. Right now, they're currently only available in parts of Texas and North Carolina. One self-starter is showing that you don't need a degree to be a great engineer. Robin Sue Fisher engineered the first burr machine to make fresh ice cream to order in just 90 seconds.
So this is how it started out. Radio flyer wagon, homemade battery pack under a milk crate. People!
She started in San Francisco selling on the street in her radio flyer wagon. In 2011, she opened up her first shop in a repurposed shipping container. Now, with 3 locations, she employs a team of engineers who are working to perfect her burr machine and have already made 7 patents. Now, imagine if there was a pill that could curb your cravings or trigger them. A team of engineers at NYU and MIT developed a pill that once swallowed sends electrical impulses to the stomach lining, triggering gut hormones that deal with hunger.
We could stimulate the stomach to tackle nausea or influence satiety, or the intestine to change the way we digest things like glucose by affecting absorption of nutrients in food. This could mean new, non-invasive therapies for the 34 million diabetics in the US and 650 million obese population worldwide.
The pill is called Flash, and it could potentially treat several disorders related to metabolism and eating that would otherwise require pharmaceuticals or surgery. That's all the time we have this week. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time right here at Circuit News TV.